Thiku imwe tu mbere ya ngucanio cia irabu njorua gitaru-ini kia Afrika kuhurwo mwaki, kirabu kia Gor Mahia nikiandikanire kandarathi na athaki 8 iri ta njira ya kuongerera thing'a thiini wa kirabu giki.
Kenneth Muguna
hamwe na athaki aria manirirwo ni hamwe na Shafik Batambuze uria gukorwo akiyuria ithenya ria muthaki Joyfrey wa Lusimbi, Erico Binja, Castro Ogenda, Kenneth Muguna, Nicholas Kipkirui gatagatika agi. Noro na kuhana uguo kuri no uhoteteku wa muthaki Francis Kahata kumagara angikorwo kirabu gia Constantine kuma bururi wa Algeria nimekuiguithaniria na Gor Mahia toria Muikariri giti Ambrose Rachier aratariria.
Bwana Kahata mwenyewe amekuja kuniona na barua kutoka Constantine, timu ingine inaitwa kama SPG. Wamemwandikia wakimwalika aende akafanye agano na wao kujiunga nao kama mchezaji. Kwa hivyo niko na hilo ombi, sio address to me, lakini wamemwandikia yeye mwenyewe. Sasa mchezaji mwenyewe ndiye amekuja kunionyesha na nimemweleza waombe waditumie ombi waniandikie mimi mwenyewe au waniandikie club.
Hidio hiyo kirabu gia K.sharks umuthi kiuma mehaririria-ini ma muthia mbere ya ngaragano yao na kirabu kia Arta Solar 7 kuma bururi wa Djibouti mbitika-ini cia irabu njorua gitaru-ini kia Africa.
So we expect a technical side, we expect a side that will be a bit physical, a side that will be of course have lots of tactical understanding. For our team I think we'll dwell more and rely more with our strength. I think we have been playing well, basically toward the last part of the past season. We have been playing well, and what we'll try more basically is can we attain good results at home, and what are the good results? Maybe it's avoiding defeat, avoiding conceding goals.
Rigukorwo riri rita ria mbere K.sharks kunyita itemi mbitika-ini ici gucanire kahurwo mwaki muthenya wa rucio ciegera thaa 10 cia hwaini kiaro-ini gia Kasarani.